So I shouldn't be shocked about this. I guess I just underestimated the severity of the situation. With that said, DJI corporate in China is closed until what appears to be the 10th of February. We're going to talk about it, so stick around. So you're probably wondering where I got this information from. Well, as an enterprise dealer, or I work with an enterprise dealer, they're privileged to these emails. And as precautionary measures, DJI has decided to close their corporate office down. With the rise in risk of the coronavirus as it spreads throughout China, this means shipments coming into the US will effectively be halted. I'll read you a blip from the email from DJI. An official email was released today to some dealers stating that the DJI main headquarters in China may be closed for an extended period of time. They list the date as February 10th. Obviously, that can change depending on what unfolds with this coronavirus. As a DJI enterprise dealer who receives finished goods from DJI, this may cause interruptions in product availability, especially with business level products like the Matrice and Mavic 2 Enterprise. So this is all in the email that they had sent out to dealers. We suggest that customers looking to purchase new in the next, it was like 2 months, order as soon as possible, as manufacturing and processing plus shipping may be problematic. So the way I'm interpreting this is that there's going to be all sorts of logistics nightmares thanks to this coronavirus, especially if DJI is going to be closed for an unknown period of time. Like I said, they said the 10th of February, but obviously with the severity of the situation over in China, that may change. Either way, I hope that the company is putting their employees and their well-being first. I don't know why that came out weird, above all. But again, this is China. Hopefully the situation on this outbreak will stabilize soon. Otherwise, I fear we're going to start seeing other economic impacts even beyond this, because again, we have a lot of dependencies overseas, especially in China. And if we stop shipping to the States from there, I can see other businesses, TVs, phones, things like that, other manufacturers. I mean, for God's sakes, you got Foxconn, which is the largest manufacturer of electronics, is over there in China. And that can definitely pose a lot of issues. I know there's a lot of companies gearing up to release new products this year beyond drones. And if they are at a standstill, that means there will be no new products for quite some time. So with that being said, I know that the Autel Evo has been officially delayed. I still do not believe the initial reason why this drone was delayed had anything to do with the coronavirus. Obviously, this virus definitely does impact the way production and development will function because they're in the same region as DJI. And because of that, they will essentially be abiding by the same lockdown rules that DJI corporate is facing. Now, DJI hasn't come out and openly acknowledged this email. Again, this went out to dealers. So I'm not really sure if it's public information, but I felt that you all should probably know, especially if you plan on buying something new and you start seeing shipping delays and things like that occur. I think when it comes to the consumer side of business, they have a better grasp on that because we do have warehouses and things like that here. And we should have plenty of stock here in the States, along with the warranty claim centers should be able to fill any of those needs. This is specifically in regards to enterprise products that come directly from overseas. So I guess it's sort of a good time that the feds grounded 800 drones. Or yeah, that's a whole story for another video. But let me know what you guys think of this. I guess I'm not really shocked after seeing how bad this has been. But let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. I'll be hanging out there for a little bit. If you haven't already and you've gotten anything out of this video, be sure you hit that like button, subscribe. If you already haven't, definitely, truly do appreciate all of you. And as always, stay original. Have a great weekend.